He can't seem to navigate. Oh, we're gonna win this thing, all you sissies. Prepare yourselves to lose.
We just had a little bit of a throw up session. Brought me to tears. A lot, and then I did like a lot more.
I know, I'm like, get it all out.
And then we threw the plastic sack in the bushes. I felt so bad.
Just get it all out.
Here. Well, this guy was like passing me, like, well, he started passing me there, and I'm like, no, you didn't.
You didn't let him pass you?
No.
Any thoughts, dude? 7 miles.
Oh, I like the dirt.
I don't think I'd want it, but...
Need a power gel?
See you there.
Just at the end? All right. Rock on, buddy.
We'll see you at the end.
Still on? Alright. Looks good.
Dude, the machine. I want to hear it. I want to hear all the tales. I want to know everything. I want to know it all.
I only ran as fast because of the mountain lion. I was nipping at my heels.
Laid back. Laid back. Laid back. We'll give you laid back. Laid back. Laid back. Laid back. I'll give you laid back. Over and over and over and over and over. Like a monkey with a miniature symbol. The joy of repetition really is in you.
Last one. We got it all together. Finally figured it out. Yeah.
How does it make you feel?
Kind of warms my heart a little bit.
Actually, I'm starting to feel good because it stopped. Tingly, kind of a buzz. Probably because of this sweet outfit. How do you feel?
Under and under and under and under.